Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're doing a crucial update on SEI. As you can see from our charts, we've had a dip, and frankly I'm saying, thanks for the dip on SEI. NWE have a clear setup here that I'm very confident in. The price is moving inside a descending wedge, which, as you know, is typically a bullish reversal pattern. We've seen a breakout, and now we're looking for that key retest to confirm the next big move. I'm only sharing bull and bear setups with a high success rate and confidence, and this one fits the criteria. So I have to ask you, do you think this one will play out well? The structure is there, the confidence is there, and our lines are ready. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a copy trading challenge on BingX right now, where I'm working to turn a $1,000 account into $10,000. You can follow along with every trade. The link to my profile is in the description below. And of course, don't forget to join my communities. We've got the free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.